Hi, today I want to talk about course we created for commercial loan brokers or commercial loan advisors. There are a lot of residential loan officers, residential mortgage brokers, consultants, advisors, realtors, commercial realtors. They want to get into this business. But the problem is there's no formal training for this business. Most of the commercial loan brokers, they have worked with the bank for certain years, 5, 10, 20 years. When they retire from the bank or they quit the bank, then they start commercial lending business. There are a lot of professionals, they try to get into this business. They stay in this business for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and then they quit. The problem is it's very complicated and you don't have enough resources to get to the point where you can fund the deals, especially the lending sources. You have to know the lending guidelines. You have to know what kind of deals you can fund or what can you not fund. So the problem with the most loan officers or loan brokers, they receive a file from a client or another broker and they try to fund the deal. They send the deal to all of their contacts and they think they can fund the deal by just forwarding emails without knowing what's in the file. They don't know what's the LTC, what's the ARV. They don't know what kind of deal needs what kind of documents, what kind of question they have to ask the client. I receive 5 to 10 applications every day, new applications. I receive applications from the brokers. Most of the brokers, they have no clue what's in the file. And I ask them a question and they go back to the client. They never ask any question in the beginning. That is the biggest problem. And when you send a file to the lender without doing your due diligence, and the lenders decline the deal. When you keep sending bad deals to the lenders, they cut you off. They don't want to waste their time. They don't want to waste your time. And same thing with the client. Once they know that you cannot fund the deal, you have no clue what you're doing, they cut you off. So it's a very bad situation. I have seen this a lot of times when loan officers, they are doing residential mortgages or they are doing consulting business and they're trying to do some deals on the side, but they cannot fund it because of this reason. So if you know the lending guidelines, if you know the right lending sources where you can fund this deal, you can fund a lot of deals. If you filter out right referral partners, referral sources, and you know what kind of deal you can do or what can you not. Once you have the application, you ask all the questions up front and you just pre-qualify the deal right away instead of running back and forth to the client and the lender. So when you pre-qualify the deal, the very beginning, you know this is a doable deal or not. Then you go to the lender and you provide the full package with the executive summary, with all required documentation. And now you know you have done 90% of the work in the beginning. Now, most likely the deal is going to be doable. The important thing is you have to understand the prerequisite and you have to pre-qualify the deal before sending to the lender. We're going to be starting this free masterclass for people who want to get into this business. Click the link, fill out your information. We will contact you back with a free masterclass or what we are going to teach in the course. Please click the link, fill out your information. We'll contact you back.